Diesel's going on a roadie. What's up, Diesel? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going, bud? Where we at? It's okay then, where we
I
at?
don't even know what it is. We're at our hotel.
Where we at?
Where are we at, Winna?
Dominic.
Dom? Where are we?
Hey, what are you doing?
Spraying down COVID?
So he's giving me some updates.
We're going to San Fran and the dog's in the trunk.
Jojo, you playing?
Huh? He's watching a movie. Fantastic Four.
I think you guys can control the AC
Dominic, what
back
are you doing?
here. So
Oh.
Melanie, what are you doing? In this car. Where's Kayla? What's wrong with her? She wants to go with me?
Come with us.
Wants to be in the cool car?
this is bring it down with a hand sanitizer.
What's the updates? We got throw ups. Yeah, Sergio got thrown up on.